Hello everyone, welcome back to Communicative English. In the previous session, we have learned about the use of present perfect tense. Today, let us learn about present perfect continuous tense. This is the fourth tense that we have been learning, present perfect continuous tense. Where do we use present perfect continuous tense? Present perfect continuous tense is used to denote an action started in the past and is still continuing in the present. An action started in the past and still continuing in the present. Let us learn it with a few examples. Look at the picture. This is a house. I can say, I have been living in this house for 10 years. When I say I have been living in this house for 10 years, what do I mean? I started living in the house before 10 years and still living in the house. An action started in the past and still continuing. I have been living in this house for 10 years. Let us see another example. A man, he started sleeping and still sleeping. So we can say he has been sleeping since morning. He has been sleeping since morning. He started sleeping in the morning and consider that now it is afternoon and he's still sleeping. An action started in the past and still going on in the present. Children have been playing football for 1 hour. 1 hour back, children started their football game. Still they are playing at the time when I am speaking to you. Still the children are playing. So I can say children have been playing football for 1 hour. Let us see the next example. The man started working at 10 a.m. and now it is 12 p.m. He started at 10 a.m. and still in the present he is continuing his work. He has been working since 10 a.m. So present perfect continuous tense is used to refer to an action that started in the past and is still continuing. When you learn about present perfect continuous tense, it is very important for us to learn about the use of for or since. For is used with the definite time, period, 1 hour, 1 month, 2 weeks. When you observe this, you can find a specific duration of the time is mentioned. So whenever you want to speak about duration, you need to use for and since. Starting point like morning, last month, last year, last week. Anything you can speak. Starting point of the action. I have been working for 1 hour. I have been working for 1 month. I have been working for 2 weeks. Whereas when we use since, I have been working since morning. I have been working since last month. I have been working since last year. So since is used for starting point and for is used to denote duration. Now let us learn the structure of present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. As usual, first let us learn positive structure. Positive or affirmative. Start with subject plus has or have plus. We have used has or have in present perfect tense. We are adding a new word in addition to the present perfect. Has or have plus, been plus, V1 plus, ing plus, object. When you observe the structure, you can understand in present perfect, we have used has or have plus V3. But in present perfect continuous tense, we use has or have plus, been plus, V1 plus, ing plus, object. Ing form of the word is used. Let us have an example. I have, subject is I, so I have chosen have been. Writing, write is V1 and writing is ing, writing homework. I have been writing homework. Or she has been eating. She has been eating mango. She is the subject. Has is chosen. The rule to select has or have is mentioned in the previous session. Please refer to that. Been plus V1 plus ing. Eating mango. One more example. They have been working. They have been working. This is the positive structure of present perfect continuous tense. Dear learners, this is a very important tense that you need to make it perfect. Otherwise, you'll not be able to express the action started in the past and still continuing. Negative. As we discussed before, negative is formed by adding not to the existing structure. Let us add the word not. Subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. The same examples, let us continue. I have, I'm adding the new word not. I have not been writing homework. I have not been writing homework. The word not makes the sentence negative. She has not been, she has not been eating mango. The word not makes the sentence negative, and they have not been working. They have not been working. So this is how we make negative sentence in present perfect continuous tense. Now let us go for interrogative or question. Interrogative or question. Start with auxiliary verb. Has or have plus subject plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object plus question mark. Question mark is mandatory when we write interrogative sentences. Have, I have selected the subject you, that's why I have written have. Have you been writing homework? Have you been writing homework? Another example. Has, I have chosen the subject she. Has she been eating mango? Has she been eating mango? One more example. I have chosen the subject they. Have they been working? Have they been working since morning? Have they been working since morning? In this manner, you can create interrogative sentences. Now let us see how can we write a WH question in present perfect continuous tense. What have they been doing? When I ask a question, what have they been doing? Someone, when I enter a house, children have been found playing and they did not complete their homework. So I can ask the parents, what have they been doing all day? What have they been doing for 1 hour? Or where have they been going. If you add WH word to the existing interrogative sentence, you get WH question. Okay. Exercise is same. Let us move on to the exercise. Exercise is same. Write a sentence using I, we, you, he, she, it, they, Rahul. Same sentences are to be converted into negative and interrogative. Let us recap. Today we have learned about present perfect continuous tense. It is used to denote an action started in the past and still going on. Like, I have been living in this house since 2012. When I say I started my residing in the particular house in 2012 and still living in the same house. He has been sleeping since morning. He started sleeping in the morning and it is going on even in the present. In this manner, please use present perfect continuous tense appropriately.